ago, I posted a 10-minute abs challenge for 2 weeks on my Instagram, which became extremely popular, and a lot of my followers tried it and they're still trying it with me. Today I complete the second week. I'll be playing both the videos side by side for you to see if there was any difference in my endurance, my strength, and my abs. I created a pretty moderate 10-minute challenge for people who want to strengthen their core and lose inches on their waist. You will notice all these are compound exercises, which means they will help you strengthen not just your core but also your arms and legs all together. So within 10 minutes, you don't just start developing your abs or shrinking your waist, but you will also get a full body quick workout. After every 2 to 3 exercises, you will notice there is one low impact, kind of easy exercise. It is important because it helps you not to give up when you're about to. Every exercise is 30 seconds long with a 10-second interval break. I'm excited to start. I hope you are too. At the end of this video, I will share my pictures from before and after the abs challenge.
This is day 1.
First exercise is heel toe touch. 3, 2, 1, begin. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1 and break. Get ready for single leg raises with one knee folded. Three, 2, 1 and break. Get ready for single leg raises on the other leg. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and break. It's time to add some twists. Three, 2, 1 and break. It's time for crunches. Ready for that break in 3, 2, 1. Plank to hollow begins in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 and take a break. Coming up next is knee to elbow. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1 and take a break. Get ready for side to side planks. Your 10 seconds break is coming up in 3, 2, 1. Get ready to catch your breath with hip rotations. Take a break before we begin our downward facing single leg crunches. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Break is coming up in 3, 2, 1. Get ready to work with your other leg. And take a break. Get ready to lift your knees off the ground for tabletop hovers. Drop your knees and stop and get ready for boat pose. Get ready to hold the boat pose for 30 seconds. Here comes the break in 3, 2, 1. Get ready to lunge and contract your core with one knee forward.
and the break is coming up in 3, 2, 1. Get ready to complete the other side. And 3, 2, 1 and break. Standing leg lifts are going to be our last exercise. Let's begin with one leg first. And 3, 2, 1 and break. Get ready for standing leg lifts on the other leg. You're almost done now. Finish this off really strong.
Remember to stretch out and cool down before you wind up. With the new stay-at-home situation, it is important that we learn to take better care of ourselves, our bodies, through diet, through lifestyle and exercises. For you guys, I want to make more such self-care videos so that you can become better versions of yourself even during this time. I am a stay-at-home mom. I am not a certified trainer, but because of the number of requests, I am happy to bring you more such workouts. So please let me know, what do you want to see? How to keep up your metabolism as you age, or toning your arms and getting rid of those flabby arms at home even when you don't have any equipment. Both these are very popular requests on Instagram, but I wanted to include my YouTube family as well. I will be reposting a separate video of this 10-minute ab challenge with the timer and music, so you can get access to these exercises quickly and repeat them every day or as frequently as you want to. I highly recommend you try this every day for the next 2 weeks, but if not, definitely try it for at least 4 days a week. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you enjoy my content. Don't forget to use the comment section to share your positive thoughts, opinions, and requests. I am listening because I want to keep creating videos that will help you to blush with me.